Are you active? Great! Do you want to play a game? Let's go!
So, do you want to play a game?
Yes!
Alright. So, last time we learned the structure. What do you like doing in your free time? So, I will call on student here. I will whisper him a word, and then he will do the action. The whole class look at the action and guess. Raise your hand and guess the answer. You understand? Okay, who wants to play first? You please. No, please come here. Everyone look and guess. What do you like doing in your free time? Yeah, please. I like
playing the violin.
Yes or no?
Your free time.
I like playing the violin. Okay, thank you. Next. Next, you please. What do you like doing in your free time? You please. Mine please. Yes or no? Yes, okay, thank you. Nice. Who else would you like? You please. What do you like doing in your free time? You please. I like going for work. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, one more people. One more people. Oh, please. What do you like doing in your free time? You? I like surfing. Yes or no? Good job, thank you.
Excellent! You played the game very well. Are you ready for the lesson today? Let's start.
Okay, so let's start lesson today. Unit 4. Lesson 2. Period 3. Now let's begin with activity 1. Look,
Listen and repeat.
alright, open your notebook and write the dance lesson today. Look, listen, and repeat. So I can see that 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Finished? Finished? Alright, so now let's look at the pictures. How many pictures are there? 2 pictures, okay. How is he? Who is he? He is you. And who is she? She's mine. Okay, in this picture, what is mine doing? She is listening to music. And in this picture, what is Bill doing? He is playing table tennis. Yeah. Okay, so let's listen to see what they are talking about.
A. What do you do at the weekend? I usually listen to music.
B.
How about you, Bill? What What do you do at the weekend? I often play table tennis.
Alright, can you hear it clearly? Yes. Okay, so listen and repeat.
What do you do at the weekend?
Everyone.
What do you do at the weekend?
Good job.
I usually listen to music.
I usually listen to music.
Well done.
How about you, Bill? What do you do at the weekend?
How about you, Bill? What do you do at the weekend?
Okay, one more time. How about you, Bill?
How about you, Bill?
What do you do at the weekend?
What do you do at the weekend?
Yes.
I often play table tennis.
I often play table tennis.
Okay, you repeat very well. So now team 1 and team 2, you are Bill. Team 3 and team 4, you are mine. Understand? Okay.
What do you do at the weekend?
What do you do at the weekend?
Good job.
I usually listen to music.
I usually listen to music.
Great.
How about you, Bill? What do you do at the weekend?
How about you, Bill? What do you do at the weekend?
Excellent.
I often play table tennis.
I often play table tennis.
Alright, you repeat very well. So now I'd like to invite one person is Bill and one person is mine. Stand up and read the conversation. Huyền Anh and Nazra. Speak loud.
What
Speak
do
loud.
you do at the weekend? I usually listen to music. How about you? What do you do at the weekend? I often play table tennis.
Okay, so now everyone. Yes, good job. I'd like to invite another pairs. Go please.
What do you do at the weekend? I usually listen to music.
Good.
How about you? What do you do at the weekend? I often play table tennis.
Table tennis. Yes or no? One more pair, please. You, please. Thank you.
What do you do at the weekend? I usually listen to music. How about you? What do you do at the weekend? I often play table tennis.
Yes, good job. Team 3 and team 2. You repeat very well. So now let's remember. In picture A, what do Bill and Mai say? Trong bức tranh A các bạn còn nhớ hai bạn ấy nói gì với nhau nhỉ? Okay, let's recall.
What do you do at the weekend? I usually listen to music.
Okay, so we use this structure to ask about someone does at the weekend. So now let's move to activity 2 to learn more about this structure. Ready? So activity 2.
Listen, buy, and say.
Well done. Listen, point, and say. Finished? Okay, in activity 2, how many pictures are there? Now 4. Now look at the picture and repeat. Picture A, everyone?
Read stories.
Read stories.
stories.
Read stories.
Good job. It's me.
Water the flowers.
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 One more time.
Water the flowers.
Good job. It's C.
Ride my bike.
Ride my bike.
Ride my bike.
Ride my bike.
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 Yes. Good job.
Surf the internet.
Surf the internet.
Surf the internet.
Surf the internet.
One more time.
Surf the internet.
Surf the internet.
Okay. So now I'd like you to read and do the action. First,
Read story.
how to read story. Read story. Do the action. Là chúng ta vừa đọc vừa làm hành động. Read story. One more time. Read stories. Good job. Next. Do the action. Ride my bike. Yeah. Next.
Surf the internet.
One more time.
Surf the internet.
Good. And
Water the flowers.
water the flowers.
Water the flowers.
Okay. Team 1 and Team 2. Team 1 and 2, please. Please read. Read stories. Next.
Ride my bike.
Yes.
Surf the internet.
And
Water the flowers.
okay. Team 3 and 4. Please read.
Water the flowers.
Yes.
Read story.
Mhm.
Ride my bike.
And
Surf the internet.
okay. Who can read? You, please. Flowers. Okay, thank you. Who else can read? Hải Đăng, Hải Hưng, sorry. Hải Hưng. Read.
Read story.
Yes, stories. Next. Okay.
Ride my bike.
Bike. Good job. And Bina, please.
Surf the internet.
Good job. You read so well. So we have surf the internet. What is it? Water the flowers. What is it? Stories and so now I'd like you to come to the board and match the words to the pictures. Who can? Okay, let me find it. First, you please. Next, put under the picture. You with the glasses. Next, you please. And the last one. And the last one, who can match? You please. Great. All right, let's see. Yes or no, anyone? Yes or no? Okay, let's read one more time. So, flowers. Yes. And good job. Next. Now, today I introduce you some adverbs of frequencies. What is an adverb of frequency? Adverb of frequency là gì các bạn? Yes. Chạm từ tần suất. frequency. So what is an adverb for frequency? Vậy thì trạng từ tần suất là gì? Trạng từ tần suất là gì? Okay. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often an action happens. Trạng từ tần suất thì cho chúng ta biết là một hành động có thường xuyên diễn ra không và thường xuyên diễn ra ở mức độ nào. Alright. Now, so we have some adverb of frequency here. First, we have, what is it? Always. What does it mean? Always. Yes. Always. When you say you always do an action, it means that you do that action all the time. Khi mà các con nói là chúng ta luôn luôn làm một hành động, tức là chúng ta luôn luôn ngày nào cũng làm hành động đó. Like 100%. 100%. Okay? Next, usually. When we say you usually do an action, it means that you almost all the time do that action. Understand? It's like 90% of the time. Next, when you say you often do an action, it means that it's like 70% of the time you do that action. Understand? And the last one, sometimes. When you say you sometimes do an action, it means that you 50% of the time you do that action. Understand? Okay, so let's read. Always.
Always.
Usually.
Usually.
Often.
Often.
Sometimes.
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 Okay? That's right. Always. Now, let's answer some questions to check if you understand the words. Now, in this case, what do you say? In this case, what do you say? I mean, like this. Always, I.
always ride my bike.
Great job. Next. What do we say in this case? Joe, please.
I sometimes don't read.
I sometimes surf the internet. Great job. Next. Activities.
I usually use on.
I what? Usually. Okay. I usually read story. Yes or no?
Yes.
Great. And the last one? Janina, please.
I often play the violin.
Yes, I often play the violin. Great. Okay, you learned the words so well. So now I have some meaning of the word. I want someone to match on the picture. You please. Next. Oh, please. You please. And the last one. And the last one. Who mentioned the last one? Hi, who please? It seems that we have some mistakes, right? Are you sure? Now, first, always, luôn luôn, right?
Yeah.
What about usually? Okay, who can reorganize this? Michelle, please. Usually. thường xuyên. Tuy nhiên thì usually thì cái mức độ thường xuyên nó nhiều hơn và often thì mức độ thường xuyên nó thấp hơn, cho nên là cô dùng từ là usually rất thường xuyên and often thường xuyên, right? You understand? Okay, good. Now look at the pictures in activity 2. Let's read, everyone. Okay, very good. And we use the question, what do you do at the weekend, to ask someone about what they do at the weekend. So now listen to an example. Nghe lại câu mẫu nha. Now listen.
What do you do at the weekend? I always read stories.
So now listen and repeat.
What do you do at the weekend? I usually water the flowers.
Next.
What do you do at the weekend?
Yes.
I often ride my bike.
Right.
What do you do at the weekend? I sometimes surf the internet.
Okay, so we have the structure. What do you do at the weekend? To ask about someone does at the weekend. And to answer it, we say, I sometimes surf the internet. I usually water the flowers. Can you say the structures now? Okay, who can do an example with me? Bạn nào thì làm mẫu với cô nhỉ? Teacher one. You please. What do you do at the weekend? Yes or no, everyone? Very good. Another one. Teacher B. Okay. What do you do at the weekend? Yes or no? Okay, now I'd like you to work in pairs. One person ask and one person answer to practice the 4 pictures. Work in pairs in 1 minute. Alright, time's up. 3, 2, 1, sit nicely. Okay, who can stand up and read picture A and B? Picture A and B, please. Yes, Diệu Linh. Yeah.
I always read stories.
Mhm.
What do you do at the weekend? I usually water the flowers.
Very good. Thank you. Yes or no? Yes. Picture C and D. Madam, please.
What do you do at the weekend? I always read stories. What do you do at the weekend? I sometimes surf the internet.
3 stories. Picture C and D, right? So do it again. Picture C. Đọc lại picture C.
What do you do at the weekend?
Mhm.
I
Yes or no? Okay, so 1 star for you. Now, I will introduce you 2 more adverbs. Ngoài những trạng từ tần suất này ra thì có thêm 2 trạng từ tần suất rất là thông dụng nữa mà có thể chúng ta đã biết. Now, first, already we will say that 100%, right? Next, usually, 90%, often, 70, sometimes, rarely, 5%. Rarely, what does it mean? Rarely, yes, good job. And never, 0%, không bao giờ. Okay, so now let's check if you understand the word. What do you say? What do you say in this? Yes, I rarely. Yes or no? Yes. Next. You? This? I never. Good job. Yes or no, everyone? Great. Okay, so now can you use the structure with the adverb of frequency? Bây giờ chúng ta đã sử dụng được cấu trúc này với trạng từ tần suất chưa? Okay, sorry. Chúng ta đã có thể sử dụng cấu trúc này với trạng từ tần suất chưa nhỉ? Yes or no? Alright, now let's meet again, Ola.
What do you do at the weekend? I always play with snow. Let's talk.
Okay, so let's list to activity 3. Let's talk. Let's talk. Alright, look at the pictures. How many people are there in this picture? How many? 4. What is he doing? What's he doing? He is riding a bike. What is she doing? Yes, what is he doing? Internet. And what is she doing? Playing the violin. Okay, so in lesson 1, we learned the structure. What do you like doing in your free time? How to answer it? Now, what do you like doing in your free time? I say, I like, for example, I like playing the violin. I like good. I like riding my bike. Yes. And next, in this session, we learn what do you do at the weekend. We can say, I sometimes read story. I always I usually okay. So now I'd like you to work in groups of 4 to ask and answer about your friends' free time activity. Okay. Giờ cô muốn các con làm việc theo nhóm 4, hỏi và trả lời 2 câu hỏi này về hoạt động trong thời gian rảnh của bạn bè mình. Lưu ý, nào, close your book. Talk about your idea, use your idea. Chúng ta hãy nói với thực tế của mình, không sử dụng từ vựng trong sách. 2 minutes. 2 phút. Talk loudly. Phải nói lên. Close the book. So finish. 3, 2, 1. Sit nicely. Now I'd like to invite one group to the board and perform. Which group? You come. Please, 4 of you. Xin mời các bạn lên đây nào. Speak loudly, okay? Everyone listen. Now go. 3, ask one. 3 bạn hỏi một bạn cái nào. What do you like? Do it. Playing football. Yes, next.
What do you like for job free time?
The violin. Next, what do you do at the weekend?
What do you do at the weekend?
I sometimes or I always play. I always watch TV. Say it again. I always watch TV. Nói lại nào. I always watch TV. No, watch TV. I always watch TV. Okay, thank you. Alright, phần này các bạn thực hành chưa tốt, về nhà chúng ta thực hành thêm, ok? One more group. Thêm một nhóm nữa. One more group. Move this. Hurry up. Speak loud. Tập to nhá. Now go. Yes. Next. Be quiet. I want. I like. Okay, next. What do you do at the weekend? Everyone ask. Hỏi bạn. What do you do? Very good. Thank you. Good job. Tổ này là tốt hơn rồi. Yes. Alright, so before we end the lesson today, I want hôm nay chúng ta đã học cái gì nhỉ? Hôm nay chúng ta đã học cái gì nhỉ? Em nói lại cho cô biết nào. Nhớ. Yes. Very good, thank you. So I have a story to review today's lesson. Chúng ta cùng nhau đọc lại một câu chuyện để ôn lại những gì chúng ta đã học hôm nay nhé. My weekend. First, what's this? Ride my bike. Next.
Read the stories. Surf the internet.
Good.
Water the flowers.
Yes.
What do you do at the weekend? I
flying kite. Okay, so now
Well done! You are so clever! Now it's time to say goodbye!
Buổi học hôm nay của lớp chúng em xin được phép khép lại tại đây. Chúng em xin trân trọng cảm ơn ban giám hiệu và các thầy cô đã tham dự tiết học này.
Gotcha.